English Learning, Embracing the Hugeness, a guide to huge. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson on English language learning. Today, we are focusing on the size descriptor, huge. Now, you might be wondering, why huge? Well, this word has quite a broad usage, and understanding it will definitely enrich your English vocabulary and expression. Huge is a term used to describe something that is very large or big in size. It's often used to express the vastness or enormity of a particular object, person, or even an abstract idea. For instance, you can say, "The city has a huge population," or "He has a huge collection of books." While huge is a fantastic word to describe large sizes, it's always good to have a handful of synonyms in your vocabulary toolkit. Enormous, massive, immense, gigantic, and colossal are all synonyms of huge, and they can be used interchangeably in most contexts. Let's dive into some examples to better understand how to use huge in sentences. 1. The mountain appeared huge in the backdrop of the small village. 2. The company made a huge profit this year. 3. She has a huge passion for environmental conservation. In each of these examples, huge is used to emphasize the largeness or importance of a subject. We also encounter huge in some idiomatic expressions. For example, a huge hit means something is very successful, and a huge relief implies a large amount of stress or worry has been removed. And that wraps up our session on the descriptor, huge. Now that you're armed with this huge knowledge, try using it in your daily conversations. Practice will make it a natural part of your vocabulary. Remember, it's not just about learning new words, it's about using them. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more lessons on conversational English. Happy learning!